Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer is too slow. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your File Explorer, it might load too slow, or lag out, or it's not opening. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just press the window button or go to start, and here you just have to search for Task Manager, and in your Task Manager you just have to look for File Explorer. The very first thing I recommend you have to make sure that your CPU is not using over 50 to 60%. So if you're facing the issue that any of your app or your software is using your CPU too much, so I recommend very first you just have to try to end that task. So just right click on that and then click on end task. So it will completely close that app. So the before you do this, before you end that task, I recommend you have to save your work. So after saving your work, you can end that task. So it might slow down or it might decrease your CPU usage. And after decreasing your file explorer is not open too much slow down. So it might fix your issue. Or if it's still not fixing your issue, you just have to go to the search section and just search for Explorer and just right click on it and then click on restart. So once you have restarted, if there will be any temporary glitch with this, it might be fixed in this step. It will completely restart your taskbar, your file explorer, and something else using your file explorer. Once you have done, just reopen or retry to open your file explorer. It might opens very slow the very first time after restarting. So after restarting, once you have opened this first time, just close this and then reopen this. So this time it will not open too much slow. So your issue has been fixed. Or if it's still not fixing your issue, so I recommend you have to delete the junk files from your systems. Now to do that, you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command, and here just enter junk. Click OK, or you can enter temp here to delete temporary file. Just enter temp, then press enter, then click continue. Now you might get a this type interface. Here you will get all the temporary files saved into your system. So I recommend you have to delete all of them. Just press Control plus A to select all, then Shift delete them, or you can delete them files. Once you have deleted, just go back. Now you have to reopen run command. Just press Window plus R, and here just enter percentage, then temp, then again percentage, and press OK or press enter. Now you might get some additional temporary files, so you just have to select them all, then delete them. So you can see I have a lot of temporary or junk files. I'm gonna delete them. So after deleting these junk files, you will not get any kind of issue like that again. So after deleting them, your issue might have to be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your file explorer is too much slow. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.